Hi, Susie Valentine, Realtor with Century 21 Now Realty. Come join me in this beautiful house tour. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house with a 2-bay garage. We are in the community Shadow Rock in Jurupa Valley, California. We are viewing the Residence 1 model home of the Adventure floor plan by Lennar Homes. It is a single-story home with optional builder upgrades. It measures approximately 1,792 square feet and has an open floor plan. They will be building approximately 165 homes at Adventure at Shadow Rock. The community will have barbecues, parks, picnic areas, sports field, trails, and a dog park. This spacious living room, also commonly known as the great room, has recessed lighting with large windows and a sliding door to the backyard. The backyard is perfect for barbecues, gardening, or just to sit back and unwind under the California sun. The dining area is centrally located and displayed with a modern chandelier. The kitchen has recessed lighting, white cabinets with gorgeous granite countertops, and backsplash. It has a walk-in pantry perfect for storing food. I really liked all the stainless steel appliances, such as the stove, microwave, oven, and dishwasher. It also features a large single basin sink with great views of the backyard while doing dishes. If you're planning on selling your home in the Southern California area and would like me to represent you, please let me know. Your home will be featured on my channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. The master bedroom, which is also called an owner suite, has views of the backyard and looks like a great place to retreat to at the end of the day and wake up to in the mornings. The master ensuite bathroom looked really nice. It has cabinets, dual sinks, and a mirror. It has a private water closet with an elongated toilet, and look at the size of the master bedroom walk-in closet. Couldn't you just imagine your favorite outfits hanging on it right now? It has storage shelves, single and double pulls with plenty of room for your clothes, shoes, hats, and accessories. It has a separate clear glass enclosed shower with chrome fixtures, as well as a luxurious soaking tub. Isn't it beautiful? If you have a friend who loves model house tours, please share this video with them. And if you want to search for new homes like this, I'll put a link in the description below. This home also includes green features, such as water-conserving plumbing fixtures, LED lighting, dual glazed vinyl windows with energy-efficient low-E glass, and a tankless water heater. I really like the hall closet. It has nice double doors. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. Now let's view the other half of this beautiful home. What's your favorite room so far in this beautiful home? Please let me know in the comments below. The second bedroom has carpet, a closet, and a window to bring the light in. The laundry room has washer-dryer hookups and shelves for storage and your linen. The third bedroom is also carpeted, has a window with views of the front yard and a closet. This home also includes heating, air conditioning with a programmable thermostat. The guest bathroom has a shower in the bathtub, a toilet, cabinets, and a sink. It is located near shopping and dining centers. the Mission Inn Hotel and Spa, and the University of California, Riverside. It also is close to the 60, 91, and 10 freeway. Wasn't that home beautiful? I absolutely love the kitchen. What did you think? Please comment below. And if you enjoyed this home, you probably would like one of these as well. And if you're in the Southern California area thinking about buying or selling your home, please call me, Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.